In this video, we'll show you how to replace your edger blade. This guide can be followed for all GREENWORKS edgers with straight-edged blades. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Tools required. You will need an 18mm wrench. Your unit may have come with this tool. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Let's get started. If the blade is worn or damaged, it must be replaced. Your edger may have come with a metal rod. If not, a screwdriver can also be used for this step. Fix the blade by inserting the rod into the hole found on the base of the blade assembly. Remove the nut and washer using the 18mm wrench. Be advised, the nut is reverse threaded. To loosen it, the wrench must be turned clockwise. Remove the old blade and replace it with a new one. Place the washer back on. Secure the blade assembly with the nut by tightening it counterclockwise using the 18mm wrench. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your edger, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS edger will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.